Good morning, grade 7. Okay, today we are working with calculations using decimals, and we are on page 113, activity 7.5. Now, if you look at number 1, they say look at the mass of each of the items. So here we have 2,7 kilograms, 0,6 kilograms, 1,45 kilograms, and 3 kilograms. Now this one's the one that's going to throw you a little bit. So what I will do here, I will just show you. You need to rewrite this immediately when you see that. You rewrite it as 3,00. That will make your life easier. Okay, so they ask, first question, what is the total mass of the items? All you need to do, you need to add these up. So you line up your commas. That's the most important part of this exercise. So here we go, and that's 3,00. I'm just going to add a 0 in there, add a 0 in there, and I am going to add. Okay, we start with the hundredths. That's 5. 6 plus 4, 10, 17. 1, 3, 6, 7. My answer, 7,75. What? Kilograms. That part's very important. Okay, now the next question that they asked, they said, what is the difference in mass between the heaviest and the lightest? The heaviest one, 3 kilograms. The lightest one, 0,6. The word difference imply minus. So we are going to say 3,00 minus 0,6. So let's write this down. That's 3,0 minus 0,6. Line up your zeros. And now we say, got to go and borrow from the 3. That becomes a 2. That becomes a 10 minus 6, 4. Don't forget the comma. 2 minus 0, 2. My answer, 2,4. 2,4 what? 2,4 kilograms. Most important part. Next one, they say, number 2. They say estimate by rounding off to the nearest unit. Then complete the actual calculation. So they want you, the first part's very important. Estimate by rounding off to the nearest unit. These are my units. So I'm going to round off to these until I have no decimals in my answer. So 507,39, that's going to round off to 507. Minus 58,69, that will round off to, that's going to change into a 9, to 59. Now if I quickly do this off the top of my head, I'm going to say 507 minus 59, and that will be 448. Okay, so I'm rounding off to 448. But now they say, then complete the actual calculation. So you have to do the sum. Okay, so you've got to say 507,39 minus 58,69. Line up your commas. Very important. I keep on repeating myself because I have to. You will forget. We are writing a test on Friday, and I am going to ask you a sum where I'm going to give you only a 3 without a comma, and then you need to know how to add it. And I'm going to give you sums like this that you have to add, and you're going to have to align your commas. Okay, so let's do this quickly. 9 minus 9, 0. Cannot say 3 minus 6. Borrow there. That turns into a 6. That's 13 minus 6. Gives me 7. 6 minus 8. Cannot do that. Borrow there. That turns into a 9. That becomes a 16. 16 minus 8. 8. 9 minus 5. 4. 4 minus nothing. 4. My answer, 448,70. Now, they want to know what is the difference between the estimation, or did they ask that? Estimate by rounding off to the nearest unit, then complete the actual calculation. Okay, no, they didn't ask you. But the reason why you do this, you need to see, is my answer correct without using a calculator? You're going to if you see, well, 448, well, that's very close to 448.70. So yes, I assume my answer is going to be correct. Next one, number 3. Round off to the nearest 10 rand and estimate your change if you paid with a 100 rand note. So you have a 100 rand note in your hand and you are going to pay for this item. Now the first thing that you need to do, round off the 44 to the nearest 10. So if I round 44 off, I'm going to end up with 40 rand. And if I round 56 off, I'm going to end up with 56, go to 60. I'm going to round that to 60. So if I have 100 rand and I pay with my 100 rand and the item is going to cost me 40 rand, what do I have left? 100 minus 40, 60 rand. On this side, paying with 100 rand, item is going to cost me 60 rand, 100 minus 60, 40 rand. Okay, that's all you have to do there. Now number 4, the last part. Here they say, before paying for her groceries at the till, Lerato estimated that her shopping would come to 90 rand. So she estimated that her shopping would be approximately 90 rand. These are the things that she bought. She bought flour for 11 rand 25. She bought sugar for 44 rand 89. And she bought eggs for 39 rand and 50 cents. Now they say, calculate the actual cost of the shopping. So you need to do what? You need to add. Okay, Keegan, are you ready? Here we go. 11.25, 44.89, 39.50. I'm going to add this. 5 plus 9, 14. 1 up. That's 10, 11, 16. Comma. Remember the comma. 13. Oh, forgot to carry over the 1. 5, 6, 15. 1 carries over. 2, 6, 9. 95.64 what? We are working with rands. 95 rand and 64 cents. Now they say, was her estimate too high or too low? She estimated 90 rand, but the goods actually cost her 95 rand and 64 cents. So the estimate was too low. That's the first answer. By how much? If you want to work out by how much, it will be 95.64 minus 90. And that will give me, by just looking at it, 5 rand 64. Okay guys, that's the work for the day. 20 minutes of this. I hope you are going to enjoy it. Keep well. Have a nice day, all of you. Bye.